Hello everyone, if you're trying to update Valorant or League of Legends from Riot Client and you keep getting this error, process already running, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you close out Riot Client on your computer. So just come here, close Riot Games. Now you're going to open up your C drive, and here you're going to find the folder called program data. So if you can't see it, then what you're going to do is you're going to go into show, you're going to click hidden items. Here it is. You're going to open program data up. You're going to search the folder called Riot Games here. So just click on any folder, press R on your keyboard. Here it is. Now you're just going to go ahead and delete this Riot Games folder. And once you're done deleting it, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now you're going to go to your Riot Games setup. Right click on Riot Games and then click Run as Administrator, and then reinstall it with the administrator privileges. And after that, your game should be updated correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.